Hello friends, today we are going to create a simple portfolio web page. To start, let us create another project folder. So click here on File Explorer, then this PC, local disk C, then XAMPP, htdocs. So in this folder we are going to create another folder, then we call it portfolio, my portfolio. So now we come back to Sublime Text. Now we are going to link Sublime Text to our project folder. We click here on File, then open folder. So local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs. Then the folder is my portfolio. We click on it, then select a folder. Now we are going to create a file, then we call it index.html. So we come here, right click, new file, then we call it, we save it as index.html, then save. Okay, so this is the file. Now we start our HTML structure. So as we know, we type this HTML, then enter. So this is the HTML structure. Now here, let's call it my portfolio. Okay, so let's increase the size. So this is the title for our web page. Now we will use internal CSS. So to use internal CSS, we type style, then all CSS code we will put them here. Okay, now we come in body. We are going to type the content for our page. So first let us create the header. So let us first type the comment, then we say header. Okay, now the header, let's create let's use header tag, then we say maybe h1 Pacific ikingeneye. Okay, now we put a paragraph, then we say maybe teacher. Okay, developer. Okay, lifelong learner. Okay, now this is the header. This will be the header. So we are going to put navigation. Let's put navigation. So we use tag nav for navigation. So let's put the first menu is maybe about okay, so let us say that if user clicks on about, then he will be redirected to the element with id about. So here in hyperlink reference we put this and about. So okay, now another one, maybe let's put skills. So if someone clicks on skills, he will be redirected to the element with id skills. And another one, is project. Okay, here I put small p, and another one is maybe contact. Then contact. But also here for project we put this show that is an ID. Now this is the navigation. So let us now put the main container. Main container. So in main container, we are going to create a div. Then this div, we are going to give it the class container. Now, inside we put about section, we put skills section, we put project section, and the contact section. So let us start by about section. So let's create a comment. Then you say about section. Now div. Then let's the class put is the class, we call it section, and this we give it the ID about. Okay, this one we have here. So if someone clicks this about, automatically he will be redirected to this section. Now let's create a heading, maybe heading 2. Then we say about me. Next we put the content paragraph. So let's say hello. I'm a passionate teacher and technology enthusiast. Okay, I enjoy solving problems, learning new skills, and building simple web applications. Okay, so let's suppose that this is about me. So let's create another section. Then we call it skills section. Then div so the class is section also. Then it has ID skills. Okay, now let's put the heading 2 skills, and div skills, class is skills. Now you're going to put skills span. Let's use span is HTML. Here you can also use ordered list and unordered list or unordered list, but here let us use span. Shall see how it will work. CSS, another one is JavaScript, another one SQL, another one is teaching. Okay, suppose that these are skills. Now let's put project section, project section. Okay, so div class is section and the ID is project. Now heading here is project h2, and now we're going to put project. So let's use unordered list URL. So now LI, the first item is student management system. Second item is personal blog website. Personal blog website. Another one is school database design. So these are the projects. So let's put another section, then we call it contact section. Contact section. So div then the class is section and the ID is contact. Okay, so heading h2 contact us, for example. Now use paragraph here, email, my email at gmail.com. Email at example.com. Then we put another one, maybe we say phone +250 xxxx xxxx. Okay, so suppose that this is the contact section. Then after this container we are going to put footer. So let's put footer. Now the footer, we are going to use tag footer. Then P, we say copy 2026 Pacific Chingene. Now let's put this portfolio. Then we save. So after saving, so the remaining is to put CSS, and we will use internal CSS. But before typing CSS code, let us view this web page. Then we see. So we come here, then we type HTTP localhost. So it is this one, but we remove here, we put my portfolio. Then enter. Okay, this is the web page. Pacific, Chingene, what and what. So okay. So the remaining is to add CSS so that our page will look nice.